Good morning, lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. This is your English period, children. Now I am going to tell you about the sounds of the English alphabet. So practice with me. Okay? Today you have to focus on the small letters. Like this is A and this is small a. You have to focus on small a today. Okay? Now I am starting. A is for apple. Apple. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. 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 D is for dog. Dog. E is for egg. Egg. F is for fish. 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 F is for fish. Fish. G is for grapes. 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 H is for house. 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 H is for house. House. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for igloo. J is for joker. Joker. K is for kite. Kite. K is for kite. Kite. K is for kite. Kite. L is for line. 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 L is for line. Line. M is for mango. Mango. M is for mango. Mango. N is for nest. 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 O is for orange. Orange. O is for orange. Orange. P is for parrot. Parrot. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for quill. Quill. Q is for quill. R is for rose. Rose. R is for rose. Rose. S is for sun. Sun. S is for sun. T is for tiger. Tiger. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for van. 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 W is for walk. W is for watch. Watch. X is for X-ray. X is for X. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. 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 Thank you, children. I hope you have learned the sounds of English alphabet. Kindly repeat all this. Okay? Thank you so much.